Okay, go to next one 眼咧就 eyes 啦，and then 眼痛 you haven't learned UNG yet but you can learn it now 痛咧 means pain so when your eyes feel painful 咧 that is 眼痛。your 胃啦 your 胃 stomach 就胃痛係啦 and then your 頭咧head 啊就係頭痛。your feet 啊就腳痛。your hand 咧就係手痛。Yeah，OK，and then 山啊mountain 係啦，山就 mountain，and 就係山啦嚇，mountain 大山。those are what you have already learned, so you can just learn to how to connect them. Connect the 大山 means a big mountain, and then 爬啦 AA you also have learned. So 爬大山。爬山啦，係咪啊？Usually we just say 爬山，we don't need to say 爬大山定係爬細山。I only want to help you practice, okay? So when you say 山啦，you can say 爬山，and then if you want to add adjective, you can say 爬大山。高咧就 high 啦，爬高山。And then there is one hill in Hong Kong which is called 太平山。Have you heard about that? Have you been to Hong Kong? No. Yeah, so the Taiping means peaceful. Okay, so it's just a name. Okay, we call it 太平山。爬太平山。Actually, 太平山 you need not 爬 because there are many roads that you can walk and reach the top. I have been walking from the hill foot, which my house is located, and then I walk up. And then I walk around the hill, and then I can reach the hilltop, the 太平山。But 大帽山咧 you really have to 爬啦嚇。大帽山 is I think the highest mountain in Hong Kong. It is in the New Territories, not in the main island. So 大帽山。OK，帽啊唔係大帽嗱你大咧。你大你要 keep long 啊，要通食 ，OK？And then you keep it steady. If you make it too short 咧，when you add 山咧，you become 大山 like this one. So you make every word well first. Make every part with the connection well first. You can stop anytime you like. Okay? Don't connect them, especially don't connect two words before you are familiar.Otherwise, you will change your pitch, okay? So don't say 大山 like this, okay? 大山 Yes, and then 太太啦，太太咧係should be TAAI 啊，太太咧就係 wife 啦就係太太爬大山，太太。係啦，太太咧 you can hear that it is two different tones because when we put two same words together, 太 and 太 actually it's two same words, okay? Both are Thai, okay? But when we connect two words two same words together, for example 弟弟啊妹妹咧 then we will change the tone, okay? So 弟弟OK 爸爸 OK we change the tone. So 太太太咧就係 tone 3，太咧就係 tone 2。So 太太係啦。係啦，嗱太就係regular，and then 太咧就 raise 喎 ，OK rising 喎，太太 ，yeah good， 太太爬大山，嗱you change the pitch 咯喎 when you connect the sentence， so don't try to remember the sound, the pitch, or don't try to follow. Look at the letters, okay? I will put back TAAI later, but you can see the number, the tones, okay? Thai is tone 3, and then the next one is rising. So look at the letters, look at the numbers, Okay, if you can't make it at one time, you can try a few at a time. For example, I make the sound first. You should be Thai, T-A-I, it should be Thai. Then it is tone 3. Thai, Thai, Thai. The first one is Thai. And then, okay, I go to second word. So you can like this. Try a few attempts and then make each word well first. Even I ask you to read the whole sentence, you can still just take them as a few words. I finish one word and then stop and then another word. Okay? Don't try to remember all the sound, all the words. Okay? Word by word, and then focus on this single word with all those letters, with all those parts. Try to look at each letter to make each part well first, and then connect the different parts well first, and then stop. And then look at another word, and then think about, look at the letters, think about how to connect them, how to make them first. Okay? So no hurry. Yeah? Okay. Read once again. Try a few attempts if you can't do it all at once. Yes. Now, so you are not correct. So because you are fast. So just take them as a few words. You make each word well first. No need to connect them. No need to be fast. Okay? Once again. Yes. Okay, look at the Thai, Thai. Thai is tone 3 way. Thai, Thai, Thai. Okay, and then second one is tone 2. Raise the tone to tone 2. Thai. So one by one, you make the first one well. First one well first. And then look at the second. Okay? And then think about the second. And then make the second. Don't need to think, I must connect Thai, Thai. And then, but I cannot make the pictures well. Okay? So just look at each word. Just think about how to connect the different letters of each word. Okay? Before you go to another. Stop. I have done. The first one is done. Take a rest. Okay? And then look at the second. Okay? Yeah. Once again. Okay, you practice 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 again. Okay, one is Thai. Second is Thai. Thai. Okay, you hear the pitch. You make the Thai as long as you can, and then make a few times until you can really capture the tone 2 is Thai. And then when you see tone 2, then you make Thai. Okay, so practice the Thai, the tone 2 only. Yeah, you hear when you speak, when you pronounce, you hear the pitch, and then you capture the pitch, and then you are like the music expert. You are now tuning the sound whether it's correct. Thai, dong, not correct, dong, not too high, dong. Okay, until you find that the sound is correct. Okay, before you know that the sound is correct, you must capture the sound first. Okay, so you try to make a few times to capture the exact pitch. Okay, so tone 2 is Thai, Thai. Yeah.